Thirdway Alliance Party Kenya's push for a constitutional amendment has received a major breakthrough after the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission approved over 1 million signatures, and this now marks the beginning of a referendum process. Well, the IEBC says that it has verified over 1.2 million signatures delivered by the Alliance with a draft constitutional amendment bill. The IEBC will now submit the draft bill to each of the 47 counties for consideration within 3 months from the date of submission by the Commission. The draft bill must be adopted by at least 24 counties, and the decisions of the 47 county assemblies will then be submitted to the Speakers of the National Assembly and the Senate pursuant to Article 257, Section 6 of the Constitution of Kenya. The bill seeks to strengthen devolution and scrap off some of the 290 constituencies, as well as elevate wards as units of development. Well, the Thirdway says that this will reduce the public service wage bill. But here's a new development coming our way just a few moments ago. This is a tweet by Ekuru Okot, posted at 9:08 p.m. today, saying that our party office in Lavington, that's on Chalby Drive, has just been invaded by 6 armed, most likely men here in Nairobi. They have shot at our SG, that's F. Okango, who ran and hid inside one of the offices. This comes barely a few hours after the Punguza Mizigo bill passed. This is a cowardly act. All right, so that tweet there coming to us from Ekuru Okot, who leads the Thirdway Alliance Kenya. We'll certainly be following this incident that he has tweeted about.